Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss about alkali. Alkali are the phytoconstituents. These are phytoconstituents obtained from synthetic or natural sources, and they have at least one nitrogen atom in their heterocyclic ring system. Alkalides are the basic nitrogen organic compound, and they are used in various pharmacological activities. Alkalides are colorless crystalline, non-volatile, means they are not evaporate in room temperature, and they are bitter in taste. Basically their taste is bitter. They are solid, insoluble in water. Only caffeine is very soluble. It is not completely soluble, but the portion of 1:200 is soluble in water, and they are soluble in organic solvent. Generally they are levorotatory. Alkalides are levorotatory. There are some exceptions. Conine is dextrorotatory, as they are telling. Mostly they are levorotatory, and only conine is dextrorotatory. And the exception for other, as they are telling that they are solid in nature. Nicotine is liquid, and what they are telling here is they are colorless crystalline, but berberine is yellow in color. They are found as salt of acid in plant. When you have to extract this alkaloid, you have to prepare a salt of alkaloid. Then only you can isolate these alkaloids. Functions: they protect the plant from insect. Basically, their function. Why plant used to prepare or biosynthesize this alkaloid? To protect from insect, and they take part in synthesis of protein because they have nitrogen atom. That's why they take part in synthesis of protein. They stimulate growth, reproduction, and metabolism of plant, and many more things. They are used in different pharmacology activity, and they are detoxicating agent. Other functions: these are the functions why plant produce alkali. Other functions, this is different. We will study in different when we go for different drugs. Identification test: these are the general test of alkali. Alkali, first is Mayer's reagent. Mayer's reagent, that is potassium mercuric iodide solution. Potassium mercuric iodide solution. And Dagentroff reagent. Dagentroff reagent, potassium bismuth iodide solution. Potassium bismuth iodide solution, and it gives brown or reddish brown precipitate. They are telling PPT. Color will be there, and you will it will be visible that there is some deposition and downwards of the test tube, that is brownish precipitate. Alkali with Wegener's reagent, that is iodine and potassium iodide solution. They give brown or reddish brown precipitate or color. Basically the iodine itself have brown color. That's why we confirm the presence of alkali by precipitate only, because because the reagent is itself have brown color. Alkalides with Hager's reagent, that is saturated solution of picric acid. As earlier test I have told that it is brownish precipitate, it is brown precipitate. Here same way they produce yellow color, but we won't confirm the alkali by its color, only yellow precipitate. If precipitates come, then only we say that yes, it is alkali. And in Mayer's reagent, it is cream color. Color: potassium chlorine solution plus caffeine, it give color. Colchicine plus HNO3, it give yellow color. And different alkali show particular confirmatory test that we will discuss when we discuss the drug separately. Alkalides are true alkalide and pseudo alkalides. True alkalides in that the nitrogen group present in the heterocyclic ring system. Pseudo alkalides, there are the presence of nitrogen is outside the ring. Those are pseudo alkalides. Then true alkalides further classified into these tropane alkalide, quinoline alkalide, isoquinoline alkalide, indole alkalide. Example of tropane is atropine or cocaine. This is alkalide present in dhatura or coca. Atropine present in dhatura, cocaine present in coca. Quinoline alkalide, that is alkalide is quinidine present in cinchona. Third is isoquinoline alkalide. Isoquinoline alkalide type name of isoquinoline alkalide is papaverine and imetin present in opium and ipecac. Next is indole alkalide. Name of indole alkalide is strychnine, brucin and zerpine present in Naxvomica, Rauwolfia and Vinca. Next is phenanthrin alkalide. Name of alkalide is morphine and codeine present in opium. Purine alkalide, that is caffeine present in tea, coffee. Pyrrole alkalide, pyrrolidine alkalide, that the alkalide name of alkalide is nicotine, that is pyrrole alkalide and present in tobacco. Pyridine and piperidine alkalide, name of alkalide is conine and lobelin present in hemlock and lobelia. This is about the alkalide. Next classification, imidazole alkalide. Name of alkalide is pilocarpine present in pilocarpus. Estradiol alkalide, that is conacin present in curchi. Terpenoid alkalide, aconitin present in aconite. Alkalide amine, that is ephedrine present in ephedra. This is about the extraction method. Drug is powdered and extracted with ethanol. The ethanol is removed by evaporation. Whatever residue is remain that are treated with water. Remove the water containing free bases. The free bases we are removing. Add sodium carbonate. Again we are adding sodium carbonate and extract the solution with ether. Whatever the residue is coming, we are treating with ether. Evaporate the ether to obtain impure crude alkalide. We are evaporating that ether residue. Pure. Next, purification, procedure of purification by chromatography method. Method 2, powder the drug treated with water and lime. Here first we are treating with water and lime. The lime combines with acids that is combined with acid, phenolic substance and tannins. That lime is react with acid and phenolic substance and tannin present in the drug. The powder is extracted with ether. Then whatever powder is there, that will be extracted with the ether. The ether is shaken with water and alkali. Again, that ether, whatever ether is coming, that is treated with water and alkali. That impurities, that is, go to the ether solution, and the crude alkali come in aqueous solution. This solution is again extracted with chloroform to obtain pure alkali. This is about the alkali, and we in next class we will discuss about glycoside. You drop your message and your comment in the group.